Do you know when I was young, I used to play a lot of Monopoly, the board game?
Oh, really?
Yeah, me and my friends, we would, sometimes we would bet real money.
Oh,
Not like play with real money because that would be insane.
Yeah.
Like with the bills being real money, but we put like, $10 on a game or something. We were really into it. We would have games that went multiple days. We had all kinds of special rules. Snake eyes, 500 from the bank. We had all kinds of rules. Anyway, they're not sitting back and leaving it the way that it is. They get a new version, high tech. It has a voice-controlled AI banker that will never cheat. How about that? No more cheating. Your AI, Amazon Alexa-like voice going on, distributing the funds, no feelings getting hurt. No more dedicated person having to play banker, be banker. Just the hat in the middle with the speaker on it is the new banker. So
that doesn't seem fun because part of it is like you want to hold the cash physically.
yeah,
The fact that it's on like
Card.
it's digital and he's
Yeah.
talking, it's not that fun.
yeah. Well, but here's the thing. Well, how are you going to attract the youngsters? You're going to say, here's these paper. They're like, what is that? You're like,
Banknotes?
here, trust me, you should do some counting and it's really cool and it's fun. And they're like, yeah, I'm going to go play Overwatch now.
Yeah.
What are you going to do? Well, you got to adapt. And they're charging $10 more, $30 for this version, which is 10 more than a basic game. It's not as intelligent as a Alexa or any other type of personal assistant, but it's going to help you get through the game without the headache of traditional banking, counting. It's a lot of things like this, though. Well, I was in a drive-through the other day, and they had an automatic machine for the change. I paid with cash because I'm 69 years old. And the change started coming out. Instantly, they just put in like 20 and it just boom, right to me. Do you have to learn? Do you have to count anymore these days? I don't know. Are we done with that? No more counting, no more math. Get rid of it. Who needs it? It's all automated. Self-checkout.
How else are you gonna make it rain with the banknotes? You gotta
Is
make
that something
it rain.
you do a lot of?
Yeah, just dollar bills
I should have known.
right at home.
I should have known.